We are very attached to our furniture because we pick them up from different places and different times of our lives. So for example, the sofa I'm sitting on is from Shanghai. We bought this coffee table from Mykonos during our honeymoon. And this sofa, my husband had it from his bachelor days.
Our design was inspired by the beautiful island of Capri. The lemons are a very important ingredient of their cuisine there, so of course I had to have some lemon trees in my garden. The kitchen is one of the most important parts of our home. I'm Italian, my wife is Singaporean, so we both love to cook very good food. This blue color is very important to me because I grew up close to the sea.
The Capri home look tends to favor using lighter color palette. So during the home renovation process, we were very mindful not to get stuck with just using that prescribed palette, but to add splashes of color throughout the house. I think it's also very important to pick materials that's going to age well.
We always wanted a bar, so when we planned this renovation, we made sure to dedicate a corner to it. Then I learned to prepare a few cocktails, so when we have the friends over, everyone can enjoy. I'm happy that in the end we managed to achieve exactly the kind of Mediterranean look we were after.
Yes, and that there's enough blank canvas around the house for the place to change and evolve with us for the years to come.
We really love our place and it's important because we both love to spend time at home and have our friends over.
The kids are also very happy here. We are very lucky that our living room opens out to greenery and open space. They say that they feel like they are always on vacation.